Hey guys, here's a quick video of installing 24 solar panels for 2 Ecoflow Delta PRO Ultra power stations. If you're interested, let's jump into the video. For this project we're using XR100 rails, so we can do 72-inch span between L-foots, and we're gonna have solar panels on 5 different roof locations. Now we have all rails finished. Took about 4.5 hours. Now we're going to start running conduits in between the rails. And here's our string. We have high voltage, this high voltage second string here, low voltage, low voltage. Here's what we did yesterday. Installed all rails, crimped all connectors here. Right, there's a junction box, and of course it's a lot of wires. It's 4 strings coming to junction box. Now we can start lifting panels onto the roof and start installation of them. We're gonna use APSmart for rapid shutdown. In the garage we're gonna have transmitter installed, and under each panel we have rapid shutdown device. And here's a junction box with 4 strings coming in. We have all wires color coded, so we know where is a high and low voltage string. And the final touch on the roof. And here's all 24 panels installed on the roof. Right here is one power station, and it's going to be another one to install next to each other. Here's the smart panel, and here's where we're going to install APSmart transmitter. PV wires should be always in a metal conduit, and right there is a penetration to outside of the wall. Right there is going to be conduit with LB, and here's a small piece of metal flexible conduit that we're going to go through the wall, and the other side is going to be here in the APSmart junction box. And here's the APSmart junction box installed. At the bottom we have MC cable, which is providing power to APSmart transmitter, and this cable going through AC disconnect installed next to main electrical panel to trigger rapid shutdown in case of emergency. And here we're charging power station with 3.6 kilowatts, and the time is about 10 AM. Alright guys, that's all about this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and as always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.